Welcome to the flavor of the week, and this week we're making mistletoe kombucha. For the base we have black tea, and I'm using 32-ounce bottle here, so I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of the elderflower cordial, which we used a couple weeks ago. I'll post a video in the description box below on how to make this. If you don't want to make it, you can find it at spirit stores, Amazon, or Walmart. If you don't want to make it, and you have dried elderflower, use a teaspoon of dried elderflower and a teaspoon of sugar. Then we're using 2 tablespoons of some cranberry juice. If you'd like to purchase some dried elderflower, I'll leave a link in the description below to where I get all of my fresh herbs from Star West Botanicals. Here it comes, one of the best parts, pouring that kombucha in. I love how the colors change. Oh, made a little bit of a mess. I'm human, it happens. Guess what? I cleaned it up pretty fast. Let's try that again. Couple days later, here we have our mistletoe kombucha. I always like to strain mine out because it's normal for a SCOBY to form at the top, and it's real thin. It's clear, it looks like a jellyfish. I didn't get too crazy with the garnish here, so I'm just using some fresh cranberries. Probably be pretty good to crush them up, that way you get some of that freshness. And if I had herbs on hand, I would have used rosemary or thyme. To make this a cocktail for the alcohol, hands down on this one, guys, use Hennessy. Hennessy and cranberry are a great blend, so that would be my pick because of the cranberry flavoring in this kombucha. Garnished with a little bit of mint, or like I said, rosemary. And enjoy. And if you are drinking, please drink responsibly. This is a great option for people that don't like to drink. So if you're having any holiday parties, you have a designated driver, someone that's a recovering alcoholic, or people that just don't like it, give them some booch. That way they won't feel left out. You don't want anyone feeling left out. Let me know how you guys like this one in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, and please share with your kombucha friends, because this season we're spreading some Christmas joy with our booch. Cheers, and to all a good night.